Is there, in Persian.
آیا وجود دارد.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the polite Persian question, is there?
آیا وجود دارد.
With jokes, drills, and real-life examples. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll ask clearly, politely, and confidently. Ready? Target phrase.
آیا وجود دارد.
Equals is there. Example targets you'll plug in: water, restroom nearby, a bus at 8 p.m., Wi-Fi, sugar. Remember, calm, friendly tone, slight eyebrow lift, open palm. Say it with rhythm. Match the melody. Do-re-mi with each chunk. Repeat slowly.
آیا وجود دارد.
Now connected.
آیا وجود دارد.
Gentle, curious tone. Rhyme to remember. Ask to beware. Start with
آیا وجود دارد.
your, is there, flair. Mini dialogues. Let's drop you into real life, with a funny twist. At a cafe. You, excuse me.
آیا آب بیشتری مانده است.
Is there any water left? Street scene. You.
آیا وجود دارد.
A restroom nearby? Bus stop. You.
آیا اتوبوس ساعت 8 شب وجود دارد.
Is there a bus at 8 p.m.? Cat cameo. You to a cat.
آیا وجود دارد.
The cat. Forms and shortcuts. Sound smart by switching registers and meanings. Formal, polite base.
آیا وجود دارد.
Is there. Colloquial quick check.
هست.
Is there? Negation.
آیا وجود ندارد.
Isn't there. Different question.
کجاست؟
Equals where is it? Possession versus existence.
دارید؟
Equals do you have it? Not the same as is there. Zero quantity word.
هیچ.
Equals none. Quick drills. Your turn, answer out loud. I cue the situation, you ask the question. Wi-Fi at the bazaar. Say.
آیا وایفای وجود دارد؟
Nearby restroom. Say.
آیا دستشویی نزدیک وجود دارد؟
Sugar for tea. Say.
آیا شکر وجود دارد؟
Any bus at 8 p.m. Say.
آیا اتوبوس ساعت 8 شب وجود دارد؟
Culture tip. Be extra polite, get extra help. Persian loves courtesy. Starting with
آیا
softens your yes, no question and sounds respectful. Friendly body language, open palm, small nod, and a calm tone on.
وجود دارد.
Quiz time. Lightning round. Say answers out loud, then check. Q1. How do you politely ask, is there, in Persian? A.
آیا وجود دارد.
Q2. Colloquial shortcut for, is there. A.
هست.
Q3. Which asks about possession, not existence. A.
دارید.
Q4. Negation version. A.
آیا وجود ندارد.
Challenge and wrap up. You've got this. Time for a final push. Challenge. Create 2 questions using the base phrase. For example, is there any vegetarian food?
آیا غذای گیاهی وجود دارد؟
Brand note. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, transcripts, and practice drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
آیا وجود دارد؟
All day, water, Wi-Fi, buses, everything. See you next time at www.synapse-lingo.com, and happy learning.